Yo, what up? It's your boy Jowa right back and again for another video content. And for today's video, mo video react data sa official music video sa Bini which entitled First Love. Let's go! So, di na tayo magdugay pa. Let's get started! So, naday ko sa boarding house na mo. Okay, so let's get started. So, cellphone tong gamit. Okay.
First love, kinikilig pang magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana. You could be my first love. Getting cute, seeing you in a minute. Gusto na kitang makapiling. Ganun lang talaga when you like somebody. There ain't nothing wrong if you need somebody. Asking all the friends and they ship it. We give them a 90s love team feeling. Ganun lang talaga when you
Nice bay. Nice sa bay mo sa dreamist vibe. Nya mo ko no sila dari og Cupid sa balikta.
like somebody. Like somebody.
So naday si Isnir dani. So special guest day dani si Isnir. Okay. Let's get balikta.
And you're feeling adventurous, everything's new. Puso'y sa'yo dahil I know it's
Naday po si Clarice. O katuyang uyab. So okay.
true. Wala nang iba para sa'kin but you. No one else but you. First love, kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana. You could be my first love. You could be my first love. First love, kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana. You could be my first love. You could be my first love. Now
Wow.
my phone stop
Kupahan nila. Uy. Kupahan nila. Okay. Like that.
ringing. Ikaw na lang palagi ang laman ng panaginip. Love it when you look my way with a smile so sweet. Oh, you make me weak. And I'm feeling adventurous, everything's new. Puso'y sa'yo dahil I know it's true. Wala nang iba para sa'kin but you. No one else but you. First love, kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana. You could be my
Pang maloy.
first love. You could be my first love. First love. Kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana. You could be my first love. You could be my first love. Happens only once in your first love. So just enjoy the flow. Basta di kang sasalo. I'll give it my all. Promise me, paglalaban mo to. Ang tadhana nating totoo.
Okay.
First love,
pamika.
kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana. You could be my first love. You could be my first love. Kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana. You could be my first love. You could be my first love.
Wow. Let's go. Good night. Okay. Nice.
First love, kinikilig pag magkasama. Araw-gabi naaalala sana.
Okay, so nahuman na si Ja, First Love by Bini. So yun nga guys, mo dito ang official music video sa Bini which entitled First Love. So ako ang thoughts dahil sa official music video nila or yung music nila is that ganahan ko catchy si Ja, especially sa katong chorus which katong First Love, kinikilig pang magkasama, araw-gabi naaalala. Sakto ba to? Correct me if I'm wrong. So mo na to guys, and also ang music video sad ganahan ko ang iyang background itself dreamy si Ja, pink mura zagnata sa dream world, and then mura sa sila mga Cupid, mga Valentine. So mura sa Valentine's nga music of course, and also of course si Ja mura sa about sa love. Okay, about sa love sa guys, and of course the lyrics itself ganahan ko nag-expect ko nga full Tagalog pero nagsagol English Tagalog siya, pero nice gyapon, coded gyapon siya guys. So aesthetic sa nilang wardrobe, ganahan ko silang outfit, ganahan totally overall ganahan ko guys. So akong i-rank or i-rate sila guys 9 out of 10. So I think that's all for this video no. Salamat sa pagtanaw. It's your boy Jowa signing off.